So have you ever wondered why veins disappear, especially after you put the needle in? Well, let me tell you a few reasons why. So one of them is vasoconstriction. So let's say somebody is in a cold environment. This causes the blood vessels to shrink and become smaller. So that means they become flatter and harder to palpate. This is a completely physiological response and allows the body to preserve heat. One of the tips that I've learned to do is sometimes I give a patient a glove filled with hot or warm water. Rubbing of the hands can help, or doing a light jog can help cause vasodilation. So another thing could be the patient is quite anxious. So again, another physiological response that happens when the anxiety is increased causes an increase in adrenaline and actually causes the vessel to vasoconstrict as you are actually in fight or flight mode at that time. Make sure your patient is relaxed. If you check out my video on how to deal with anxious patients, that will get you right. Dehydration. I cannot tell you for the life of me, dehydration is a massive one, and this happens a lot in hospitals, but it can happen in the clinic as well. So with morning appointments, let's say as a phlebotomist, you tend to get patients that are dehydrated because they've not drank water first thing in the morning. The vessels tend to be flatter. When there's a good hydration status, the veins feel bouncy and palpable. Sometimes even if you do put the needle into the vein, you tend to not get any flashback. Since that have more subcutaneous fat, these veins can be more difficult to palpate. A lot of alternatives that I've seen in the hospital is they use an ultrasound to try and find a vein. Sometimes I tie the tourniquet quieter just to bring up those hidden veins. If you have low blood pressure, this reduces the venous filling and therefore your veins will be less prominent and more prone to collapse. If you want more tips and if you want more videos like this, please follow the Needle Academy and join the family. We'll get through this together.